ke go bojalweng ke go taveneng ga o nkitse ka mkhonkitseng ka teng jaaka o mpona mo TV so o se ka nkopa snepe ke le go taveneng so ke kopa le tsamaeng le go liquor store le rekeng bojalwa le nweng go ntlong le baratani ba lena le bana ba lona ke le kopa
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash on the like button. This video, young Cleggy, so Warren Masemula, people are dragging him for a special cycle last end our Presley. Alabe kakhuluma khona ukuthi bujwala simayemo and then kuthi nje abantu ufuna babonathele etindleni yabo nje special sakhe it was very nice, it was really so touching, but people are now dragging him ukuthi ayibo wena practice what you preach or ungathi wena sinenqumbi kangaka emavideo yakho usetshwaleni ujayiva ubambe bujwala. That what do you mean why ukhuluma emngcwabeni waPresley ayibekele ndzaba ukuthi ngazuthi bekafika lesikhulu ngazuthi kumbe wena unathi. So I think people are missing the point here. People are really missing the point. They didn't say ukuthi yena kanathi, he just said ukuthi tshwala guys asingiqhoshini ngetshwala ngazuthi tshwala mawuthenge tshwala udzakwa sho ukuthi uyibhoza. That's what like he was saying ukuthi bantu abatinakekele bahlala emakhaya nemindeni yabo bangagqwala itiganga netitrati lokuthi abantu sebamdrega nokuthi hey now uyanatha. People are really popping out my videos akhe ulabe kanathe khona labe kadzwaka khona bonakala bambe tshwala emathavena jayiva nje uyasecurity lapha kuma social media platforms bamposta bathi thina stokuposta nje because wena ufuna kudenda ngqono ngaPresley, wena nje uzama ukuphakamisa ngaPresley. Le speech sakho nje it was so necessary bese ngeke usidingo sayo asaso so thina nje na stokuposta sikhombe abantu ukuthi wena ukho better or you are not better. So bantu bamposta ona bathi nje nawo ama-video Warren Masemula, the mighty Warren Masemula. Namhlanje nikhuluma ngaye nithi hey ukhuluma especially simnanzi ini akhuluma manga. So people said nje ukuthi ayi cha ayikho nje indzaba ya Warren naye tidzakwela naye nje sihlala sineyitshwale nathi tidzakwela nathi azakhohlwa nokuthi une-family ayikho nje indzaba yakhe lo lakhulume emngcwabeni waPresley was so unnecessary. But still ngiyasho ukuthi people are really missing the point la kule statement sa Warren. He didn't say ukuthi bantu banganathi, he didn't say futhi ukuthi mawunatha tshwala mhlawumbe umuntu lomubi. You guys didn't get a message ya Warren. You really didn't get a message yakhe Warren Masemula. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.